Okay, so on checkpoint 3, this is where we're going to look at how stress and school are related and how you can be better prepared in your education. And we're going to focus on this checkpoint on a couple of things. We're going to focus on different note-taking strategies using forensics as a topic, as well as, it's just the idea that you don't have to know everything all at once, that it's a learning process, and etc. So on here, you'll see I've given you a brief introduction about what we're going to be looking at. And then I've given you actually 5 different assignments within this checkpoint that will need to be completed. So that's going to be important. And I've actually given this to you as a checkoff list so that as you finish one assignment, you can mark it that I've done it, so you know that you need to have all of these checked off before you can submit the checkpoint and summit. Because when I go through it, I'll be looking to see if you've completed everything. And if you haven't, then it'll come back to you, say you didn't do, say for example, the outline method of note-taking assignment. Okay, so within here, you're going to find a couple of things. You'll see that on each assignment page, I will give you a video and set of instructions just kind of talking through what I'm expecting you to do. So the first assignment you'll need to complete is this one that says it's okay to be stupid. It's a reflection on this reading article. And then you'll see that following that, I'm going to have a series of video lectures with a note-taking strategy found underneath the video lecture. So this first lecture will be called Forensic Science, a Historical Overview. And the strategy that you're going to look at here is the outline method of note-taking. You will see that I post a video set of instructions there. I haven't posted it yet on this video, but they will be there. And then you will have an assignment that follows. And that will be for each of these. So the next lecture you will see will be on organization of a crime laboratory. You will be using the mapping method of note-taking for that lecture, and you will put the notes that you take on this page that says assignment. And then you will see we have one on the functions of a forensic scientist. You're going to be using the charting method of note-taking to do that lecture, and then the notes will be placed here on this page that says assignment. You can get the picture. The last one is on Cornell Notes, and there is no PowerPoint lecture for this because what we would be using, I like to use videos with Cornell Notes, so you'll be actually watching this YouTube video that you can play straight into OneNote, or you can choose to open it up here, and you will be taking your notes on the template below. Once you have completed all of those assignments, and yes, I know it's long, but you have a lot of time during your SDL at home to be working on this, then you can submit that final checkpoint and move on to the final products that I'll have put into your OneNote and outlined. So hopefully that will give you plenty to do during your SDL days at home when you're not in class to be working on. Checkpoint 3 is big. I won't kid you. It's going to take you a while to get through it all. But I think if you take the time and effort to do this, you'll also learn some note-taking strategies, but you'll also learn some information about the forensic class that we're working on here. Okay, so once again, good luck. And if you have any questions, it's best to ask those questions when you come to class on your XY day rotation.